Around the world today, people are seeking different alternatives to manufactured and synthetic medicines that can have harmful effects on the human body. Instead, the modern consumer and companies are looking towards the natural world for better and healthier solutions. One such solution is the discovery of the Australian natural plant-based extract Phyoxolin, which has some very exciting and unique synergy between science and nature. To talk to us about this is Professor David Leach of the Southern Cross University, who has spent many years of research and development with this plant. So welcome, David, and please explain to us a little bit about Phyoxolin and what it is and some of the potential benefits of this unique discovery.
Okay, well, Phyoxolin is a traditional medicinal plant. It's an endemic plant to Australia. It's been known in the Western world for nearly 150 years, but used by Indigenous Australian people presumably for thousands of years. So it has a long history of traditional use. More recently, we've done work in the laboratory, optimising extraction of the plant, optimising its chemical stability and also its biological properties. And we've found that it is quite a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. And with those two combinations, it has enormous potential for use across a whole spectrum of applications, both cosmetic and therapeutic.
Well, that's fantastic. And some of the discoveries you've found in this are the ingredients of COX-1 and COX-2, which are unique in a sense. Is that true, or have they?
I wouldn't say they're totally unique, but it's nice to find them in a natural source. And there's a huge amount of interest in COX-1, COX-2 inhibition as one of the pathways for treating inflammation. And so to have that sort of activity in a natural plant extract is certainly a benefit.
Okay, and where we are today, we're on the farm plantation of where we're growing this extract, or this plant, so to speak. And the project has now got some Australian government backing to it, and that's quite exciting.
Yes, it's good to see that the Australian government has recognised the potential for this as quite a big crop, with a lot of potential for expansion into both national and international markets. And so the Rural Industries Research and Development Corporation, along with Bioactive Exports Proprietary Limited, have signed an agreement for 3 years worth of research to optimise all of the whole horticulture, agriculture, extraction parameters for large-scale production of this valuable medicinal plant.
Well, that's terrific. And the future is quite exciting for this little plant. So what we see behind us here, this is just the beginning. So with all this backing and this research you've been working on for many years, it really has potential in therapeutic and the cosmetic skincare industry.
Oh, definitely, it's got huge potential. I don't think we've done enough research yet to fully understand it. It's a typical natural extract with hundreds to thousands of compounds in it. So like with most natural product extracts, there is enormous potential once we can unravel the science and find out how to optimise and maximise its uses and its applications.
And the name Phyoxolin is the name of the extract. Is that correct? That's what we're calling it.
That is the patented name for the extract derived from Centipede cunninghamii, this small, lovely Asteraceae, a typical daisy, endemic to Australia, and again with a lot of traditional use and knowledge behind it, but brought forward now into more mainstream production and application.
Well, thank you, David. I think that covers it, and it's quite an exciting time. Thank you.
Thank you.